this year we took a trip over to Pennsylvania. We attended Super Saturday, and it was our first time going there. We did have a lot of fun. It was a good time. The training was good. We met a lot of people that I personally haven't met in real life or even communicated with before, but definitely made connections with them from meeting them there. We didn't take much footage or film much. We ended up getting in there later than expected, and then it kind of just snowballed from trying to just catch up and soak in the atmosphere. But overall, like I said, it was a good time. So we just put this together. Nothing crazy, small, quick slideshow showing some of the experiences. But mostly what we wanted to do was to create this in order to try to help others see what the training is like and the experience is like when going to some of these bigger events, as opposed to some of your smaller local trainings that you might be familiar with. Again, it doesn't show everything that's involved with the weekend and the training and everything, but it at least helps you get a good idea of what it's all about. So I hope you enjoyed this small tidbit video we put together, and let us know what you think. Noticed on the website to the event that they were doing the coat drive for veterans this weekend, since today the 11th is Veterans Day. So went through our closet and some of my old jackets that I don't use. We decided to gather that to donate to the cause.
So that's what we're going to do now. In addition to that, we just want to say thank you to all the veterans out there for your service and everything you have done for this country. We really appreciate it.
So just figured we'd do that. We'll maybe get a shot of us bringing them down there. And it's right outside the
trade show hall?
Outside the trade show hall. So once we dump these, we'll go walk around and see what they got. go. There you have it. That's the little bit that we were able to kind of gather for you guys. We would have liked to have done more. It was just a little bit difficult to get things going once we got there. We did get there a little bit late on Thursday night, and then just kind of we were playing catch up from there. But again, it just we wanted to try to help capture what's involved when going to these training events. We thank the organizers for putting this event on, and I also wanted to just quickly mention meeting and hanging out with some of the people that were in the video and some that were not. It was great to have experience with them. You saw Corey from SNA, Kuba, Darren. We also ended up meeting and talking with PJ, and also you saw Brian Mann from Hands On Auto Training. And we actually ended up meeting him in the lobby on Friday afternoon, and we actually ended up going to lunch together. We went to Longhorn, as you saw, so it was cool. We had a good long talk conversation, and then throughout the weekend we also stayed communicative, and then ended up trying to come up with some sort of deal of working together one day, because we're actually both here in Ohio, so maybe you'll see that sometime soon. Hopefully we can get something going and put something together for you guys. But thank you to all that we had experience with, hung out with. Thank you to all the instructors. Rick White, he was exceptional, very informative, and just super knowledgeable. And then of course, John, we'd like to thank him with his class. It was good. We did the fuel trim class with him, and I want to humbly thank him also for coming up to us and introducing himself, and just saying hi and explaining how he watches some of my videos and appreciates what I do, and so that was very humbling and appreciative. So I'll continue to try to bring some good content. Some of these training events we'll try to capture them better as we continue to attend them. But again, if you're thinking about going to some of these, don't hesitate. Make the call. Go to these events, get some training, meet some people, and have a good time. It can't hurt to get some more knowledge. So with that, hopefully you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching, and that's all.